Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Vid's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a very exciting thing, how you can make a 10,000 plus income in a month while just uploading the videos in platform like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and the Facebook. In this topic, I'm not going to tell you just download the video from TikTok and upload in the YouTube. That is totally illegal, and we are not going to follow that way, because it's not only the correct way, but the other thing, if you download the videos from TikTok and upload in the other platform or like a platform like YouTube, it can prevent your channel getting monetized. So that thing we are not going to do it, because it is not the correct way. I'm going to tell you, we have a thousand of images and high quality videos access. Those platform we are going to use that. We are going to use those platform to get the images, videos, and how we are going to use those video to make a video and upload in the different platform. We are going to talk on that thing, step by step process. I will tell you how you can use this process and just start your the content creation channel or platform, and you start uploading those video, and you will have the stream of income. So this is the one thing. Other thing, let me tell you one more thing. So this platform which we are going to talk about, those they have a lot of images and videos. Those are royalty free images and videos. You can use them definitely without having any restriction. So those platform we will be using in our video making process. And I'm going to tell you also a real-time example. I will show you a couple of channels how they are using these images and videos, and they are putting all those, re-uploading those videos in the different platform and making the income. Not only this, making the income from the platform, I will tell you what are the source of different stream of income. So we are going to talk on those things a lot. Before that, let's jump into the process and the platform we are going to use and how we are going to use them. So the platform we are going to use, those platform are pixel.com, pixabay.com, and the other thing is that along with that we will be needing to have the audio library also. So I will tell you how to use the royalty free music, because we need the music to add in our video. It will add kind of it will make your video look very good. So I will tell you step by step process how to download those audio and add them in our video editing tool. Just step to the end of video, you will get to know a lot of things. Before that, let me share my screen and I will tell you how to download those royalty free music, videos and images in this platform. So here you see, this is the pixel.com. You will go here, and I'm putting in the screen also this site name. You can see it, pixel.com. Here you will go, and you have like 1,000 of videos and images, royalty free images are there, which you can download for your content creation, and it will not have any kind of copyright strike or issue. So that will help you a lot in your content creation platform. So let me go and search here kind of videos which you will be using. So let me show you some example. Here you see, these are all the videos. You see already defined video, but you can search according to your content. Like if you are looking for some kind of nature or some cities or some kind of any different topic, you can just put the topic name here and it will give you the list of videos. So here you see, so it is this video. If you see, this is the format of 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and some of you see the vertical, which is like 9 to 16, 9 by 16 aspect ratio. So it depends what kind of your video aspect ratio is. If for example you are uploading in the YouTube video, you are going to use this 16 by 9 aspect ratio. If you are uploading as a YouTube short or reels or TikTok video, you can use this 9 by 16 aspect ratio. So you have to also make sure which video you are going to download. So before that, let me show you one more thing, couple of examples which I wanted to give you how they are using these videos and uploading in their platform. So here you see, this is the channel name Scenic Scenes. You see they have 844k subscribers with just 143 videos. And if you go down there, they have like 30 million views, 29 million views. They have all the video, they have views in like million of views are there. They are having their each videos. This is very fantastic, and you can do same thing. It is not a like one day job. You will have to keep doing it like almost 1 to 2 years, and definitely you can have the similar kind of views. Let me tell you, this kind of video, they have the RPM, which we call review per 1,000 view, how much money you will make. So in for this kind of video, they have a CPM called cost per million views. So 1,000 view is like $2 to $5. So for 1,000 view, they are going to make almost $2 to $5. If they have million views, you can imagine they are going to have like $2,000 to $5,000 in 1 million views. If you see they have a 30 million views, you can multiply it like 2,000 to 30, it will be like almost 50 to 60,000 from just one video. And if you go this video, you will see definitely I'm going to tell you how you can download this kind of video also, and you can do same thing, just upload this video on platform YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, wherever you want, and you can start making the money. But it will require certain kind of effort, which I'm going to tell you how to do that. So these are the very nature related video, and this video you will see similar kind of video. We are going to download the platform which I told you. These are the platform pixel.com, and the other we have a pixaway.com also. Here also you can download. And this platform, if you go, let's say we saw the video for the scenic, they had the like wild animals, right? You can type here wild animals. So you see all this video you will see. So what you are going to do it, whatever video you want, like first you have to decide your content category, like you are going to, for which animal you are going to create. It can have a combination of animals, or you can have like for today your leopard video you are going to create, another day you are going to create for animal or different words. You can do that. And what you are going to do, just collect different of those video for video, like 4 to 5 videos, whatever your content length is, and we are going to merge them in our video editing tool. So here, let's say if I download this video, I can download this. Then next time what I'm going to do, this video is downloaded. So I have downloaded all these 4 video. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, when you click on this video, then let's say if you want to download this video, it will show you pop-up say thanks. So someone might have created this video, and if you want to like donate something to that person, because since they have put their effort, and if you whatever you want to donate them something, you can donate it, because otherwise like they will think like my video content is being used and no one is giving me anything. But other thing I will tell you, these are totally royalty free music. You can videos, and you can use in any platform. But still, if it is your wish, if you want to donate something to them, you can donate them definitely. So you will get that pop-up. Now what I will do, we have downloaded all the 4 videos, and I will show you how we are going to use them in a video editing tool. So now what we are going to do here, we are going to open the CapCut, and you will go to the create new, and here you are going to select the format or aspect ratio. In this case we are using 16:9, but you can, if it is short, you can use 9:16, but you have to make sure you are downloading the same kind of video format. So here I'm going to use this 16:9. So you click here, and what you are going to do, you can click on upload video. So you can, whatever the video uploaded, it will come here, and from there what we are going to do, we are going to pull them in the timeline. So I have already uploaded those video in the CapCut. Let me put them in the timeline. Yeah. So now you see these videos were like around 10 seconds each. We added like 3 videos. Now what you can do, you can download as much as possible. Like those are royalty free videos. You can go ahead and download whatever you want, but try to make sure that should be looking good and everything, just to make sure your video is perfect. In this, what we are going to do next, if you go play it, yeah, in this CapCut you have to do little bit extra thing. You can add kind of like animation, you can add the caption, little more activity or creativity you need to do here, because it is like just raw material. Top of that you have to add different kind of stickers or some kind of make it funny. It should look very, not funny. If it is video is funny, you can make it funny, but if it is a you want to make it look better, you have to do some little activities over here. So then it will make your video perfect. Sometimes people add here animation also, which I will tell you how to add. So you can go here between 2 videos, or you can split same video and add the transition or animation, whatever you want here. So if you similarly here, I will add this kind of. So once this video switches from one video to another video, they will have some kind of different transition. After that, what we are going to do here, this is my video is here, but if you see, it does not have any kind of music. So what we are going to do, we have to add some kind of emotion feeling in this video, so whenever whoever is watching this, they can feel it better. So how to download those royalty free audio, I'm going to tell you. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to your YouTube channel. If you see here, I'm in my YouTube channel, and you go to the YouTube studio, and in the left side you will see audio library somewhere here. You are going to click in the audio library, and it has also a lot of music over there, and it is royalty free. Whatever the music you want to download, you can download it from here and use in your video, because once your video is formed and done and you upload in any kind of platform, it will not have any kind of restriction or copyright issue. So better you go here in the audio library and download all the video from here. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm just whatever the content is related to your topic, you can download those kind of, or you can search it even here what the kind of audio you want. So for me, let me try this. So I'm downloading this wild animal similar audio, so it will perfectly match to our videos. You click here, download. These are totally free, and we are going to download it and upload in our video editing tool. This is downloaded. Let me bring it in our video editing tool. So now what you are going to do, once you upload that file in the audio file in the CapCut, you are going to bring it in the timeline. So I am adding it here. So here you see I have uploaded the audio file here, and I put it in the timeline. And you have to make sure this is completing the entire video length, and you can add as much as possible. So I have added here, and you can play it. So this is how we are going to download the content or videos from the Pixel and use them in our video content process or video editing tool. And I have also told you how you can download the royalty free music or audio and use in your video. So this is how you can download the video and make every video very fantastic and upload them in a YouTube platform. If you do this almost every day, if you do up to the 3-4 months, definitely you are going to get a good views. And I told you how much revenue you can get out of this, over 1,000 views or 1 million views. Your channel will be monetized. You people have more audience in your channel, and they will be watching your videos, and you will start making the money out of this. So this is the way you can just download the free videos, edit them. When you are editing, you have to make sure you are adding the creativity over there, because if you just upload those raw videos, many people are going to have the raw videos and they don't like it. So in as I was showing you in the CapCut, you can add the animation, you can add the captions over there, and sometimes you can do the voiceover also, like the animal is doing something, animal is running like that, he is chasing kind of thing. So it look very perfect, and it should attract the people. So you do this every day, you should make the plan to upload 3 to 4 videos in a week, and definitely down the line 3 or 4 months, you will see a lot of people in your YouTube channel. You will see a lot of traffic. Once you have a lot of traffic, you will start getting making the money. Not only the AdSense revenue, you will have the definitely income from the sponsorship or the affiliate marketing. So this is the way you can just re-upload this kind of videos and start making the money. And this is totally legal, and we are not telling you any illegal thing over here. So this is the perfect example for the new YouTube beginners to go ahead and use this kind of platform and use your active creativity over there, and do some kind of analysis in what kind of video you want to make it, and just start uploading in different social media platforms. So like YouTube Shorts, you can have the TikTok also, and the Instagram. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.